Hey guys, it's Scout, and today I'm making a totally new recipe. It's called 2-ingredient healthy brownies, and it's from Kirby's Cravings. The ingredients are bananas and cocoa powder. I have to admit, I'm a little bit skeptical, but I've been doing Whole30 for a while now, and I'm desperate for a brownie, so we'll see. There's also a recipe for frosting, and that's coconut oil, cocoa powder, and maple syrup. So wish me luck. All right guys, here they are. I have to say, they're not quite like a traditional brownie. They don't have that cakey texture. They're definitely more fudgy. They almost taste like an undercooked brownie, but you know, they're pretty good. And if you've been doing Whole30 for a while and just really need a sweet fix, these fit the bill pretty well. I'll take a bite and let you know what I think. They're very soft when you touch them. Definitely you can tell they're made from mashed bananas. But like I said, if you want something sweet, these will do it. Not too shabby. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hashtag bloopers.
They have
They have a
boom, the brownies are made.
dude.
Okay. They don't taste quite like your traditional Traditional?
Traditional.
All right, now you can have one.
Yay!